Namaskar everyone. I am Dr Ankur Bansal. I am laparoscopic general trauma and laser surgeon from Agra. I am working in SR Multi Super Specialty Hospital as a senior consultant and director here in Agra. I invite you all for WORLDCON 2023. It is the 8th International World Congress of Coloproctology. We are doing it in Agra from 24th February to 26th February 2023. On 23rd February, there are some pre-specialized Congress courses which are meant for young students, doctors. These include lasers in proctology whole day course, MIPH and staplers course, sigmoidoscopy course, suture rectopexy Chivates procedure whole day workshop course, and we are also planning for anastomosis suturing course and robotic training also. So this is first time in India any conference is providing you hands-on pre-congress courses which are on 23rd February. You can register them on the website of www.worldcon 2023agra.com. So from 24 to 26 it is the main conference. The conference is being held in month of February in Kalakriti Cultural Convention Center. This Kalakriti Cultural Convention Center is a Limca Book record holder, and this is a very renowned place for conferences, and it's a very good venue. It has speakers in 36 languages. So experience this WORLDCON. We are giving a fellowship which is called International Fellowship by the name of FISCP, Fellowship of International Society of Coloproctology in the Congress itself. Earlier, before this Congress, you have to do the course for 2 days in different parts of the country, and then after you are giving the exam and viva. When you pass, you come to WORLDCON and take the convocation process and certificate. But this time we have, because of COVID, it is happening after 3 years. This time we are directly inviting you to come to WORLDCON 2023, save your extra money, save your extra room charges, and directly come to conference, give exam, viva, and if you pass, take the degree certificate convocation at the same place. This is the USP. Then we are also planning for the live workshops on the days, and in live workshop you will be witnessing the latest therapy, latest surgeries like piles, fissures, fistula, parietal sinus, colorectal cancers, and many other things like laser, all the surgeries regarding laser surgeries and MIPH, suture rectopexies, parietal sinus flaps, plasties, or graciloplasties, stomas, all types of surgeries which are latest in coloproctology, you will witness in Agra from 24 to 26 February. Many international faculties and delegates are coming into our conference, like Roland Scherer, who is the German surgeon, who is a very reputed German surgeon. Second, Dr. Antonio Longo, who invented the MIPH, and Dr. Minro, PRCO Minro, who is the inventor of WAF. Then the colorectal head of Singapore, Dr. Sian Cheon, and many other more feathers in the cap are coming to India for the witnessing this grand congress in 2023 February. After that, please come to the conference. For PG students, there are posters, prizes, paper prizes, and video prizes, and many other. Young Surgeon Award is there, Best Surgeon Award is there. We are doing an award ceremony in this, and so witness a most grand event in Agra in February 2023 from 23rd to 26th, and come to learn, unlearn new things, new surgeries, and meet the international faculties and make this conference a very successful one. So I wholeheartedly invite you to our WORLDCON conference. I am organizing secretary Dr Ankur Bansal. My treasurer is Dr Anubhav Goyal. Co-organizing secretary Dr Karan Rawat. Our scientific organizing chairman Dr Himanshu Yadav. The co-organizing chairman Dr Juhi Singhal, Dr Prashant Lavania, Dr Prashant Gupta, then Dr Sameer Kumar, Dr Amit Srivastava, Dr HL Rajput, Dr Bhuvnesh. Many other people are coming to this conference. Many renowned faculties like Dr. G.V. Rao, Dr. Palane Velu, Dr. B.B. Agarwal, Dr. V.K. Kapoor, and many other renowned surgeons which you name it in India are going to witness and coming for this conference. So I highlight the points in 2023 WORLDCON at Agra. Witness for the FISCP, take a fellowship directly in the conference and have a grand convocation, Fellowship of International Society of Coloproctology Coloproctology, and in front of your name write International Fellowship. Witness the live workshops with the latest procedures witnessed all over the world. Fistula surgeries, which is a mess, like lift, slough, DLPL, laser surgeries, and many other things like coring, sphincter repairs, grade 3 perineal repairs, and VVF, RVF, suture rectopexy. Secondly, that rectal prolapse, and many other surgeries which you will witness in Agra. So it's a grand extravaganza. We have kept all the lectures, many lectures are there, orations are there, faculty discussions are there. Almost all the lectures are video based, so we will not make you bored by only theory part. We will show you as many as videos of complications, new techniques and everything. So I invite all my senior faculty, my young doctors, postgraduate students, HODs of medical college, senior doctors, junior doctors, residents to come and participate in such a grand way to make this conference a success. So in the WorldCon, you please register yourself. Go on the website, which is www.worldcon2023agra.com, and go to their registration page, in which there are 3 types of forms. There is Google form, there is complete form. You can directly see the Google form. Then there are various options on registration, like ISCP member, non-ISCP member, PG student, accompanying person, and fellowship candidate. You register directly from there. You can pay by Google, or you can send money by transferring NEFT. And I request you all to please be a part of this conference and make it very successful. Thank you.